Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on graphing linear inequalities. We'll take a look at two examples, focusing on dotted versus solid line and where to shade, above the line or shade below the line. Let's take a look at our first linear inequality. Y is less than 3x plus 4. And this linear inequality is given to us in slope-intercept form. And we can start by graphing our y-intercept 4. Graphing our y-intercept. There it is, 4. And then we can use our slope, 3. And we can rewrite 3 as 3 over 1, rise over run, up 3, to the right 1. Up 3, to the right 1. You can also go down 3 and left 1. Now let's take a look at the inequality part of our inequality. We have y is less than 3x plus 4. Less than, we're going to use a dotted line. Dotted line. And now let's talk about where to shade. We want to shade, since we have less than, we want to shade below the line. Now, if you're not sure exactly what that means, you can always test a point. I'm going to test the point 0, 0. I'm going to substitute 0 in for y and 0 in for x. Testing the point 0, 0 to see if that is the area I will shade. Substituting 0, 0, we get 0 is less than 4. This is true. So we do want to shade this area below. Y is less than, we'll shade below. Next example. Let's take a look at graphing y is greater than or equal 1/2 x minus 5. Greater than or equal. We'll start with our y-intercept at -5. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll use our slope, 1/2, rise over run. We'll go up 1 and run to the right 2. Up 1, run to the right 2. You can also go down 1 and left 2. Now let's take a look at the inequality part of our inequality. Since we have or equal to, or equal to, we'll use a solid line. Or equal to, solid line. And we have greater than, so we will shade above the line. If you're not sure what that means, you can always test a point. You can test the point 0, 0, and if it works, This is the area you will shade. Let's test 0, 0, substituting 0 in for both x and y. We get 0 is greater than or equal to -5. 0 is greater than -5. That is a true statement. So we will shade above the line. Any point in this shaded area above the line will make that inequality true. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.